everybody, I'm Jacqueline Geerlings, your go-to local realtor here in the Fergus and Elora area. If you've been wondering what's really happening in our local real estate market, especially heading into 2026, you're not alone. Interest rates, buyer demand, rural expansion, there's a lot of buzz out there, but today I'm going to be breaking down what's exactly true, what's a noise, and what it means for you, whether you're buying, selling, or investing. Fergus and Elora are a really unique position right now. We've seen steady growth, incredible new developments, and a continued shift in what buyers are looking for: space, lifestyle, and community. So what does 2026 look like? Think continued demand for rural charm with modern convenience, but like any market, we're seeing some adjustments and new opportunities too. Let's start with pricing. 2025 wrapped up with prices kind of stabilizing in the center Wellington area. Detached homes are still holding fairly strong, especially in family-friendly areas close to schools, parks, and trails. In Fergus, the average detached home sits around the 800s, while Elora pushes somewhere into the 9s for newer builds and for updated properties. What's interesting though is we're finally seeing some listings hit the market. That means less pressure for buyers and more balanced conditions overall. If you're a seller, it's time to price strategically. The over-asking frenzy, it's cool and it's over, but quality listings with curb appeal and upgrades, they're still moving fairly fast. Interest rates have started to settle, and that's huge. We're seeing more first-time home buyers return to the market, and move-up buyers are regaining some confidence. In rural markets like ours, affordability still beats out nearby cities like Guelph or Kitchener. We're prioritizing value over lifestyle for square footage. Expect to see steady demand from young families and remote workers, especially in homes with multi-use layouts, in-law suites, or large and outdoor spaces. Both Fergus and Elora are evolving fast. We're seeing thoughtful growth, not just subdivisions, but small businesses, cafes, parks, and those really do add value to our community. Projects around BD Line and south of Fergus corridor and new mixed spaces in Elora are drawing more people to our area. And that's what makes investing here very appealing. You're not just buying a home, you're buying into a thriving lifestyle. For buyers, patience and preparation are key. Make sure you're getting pre-approved early, know your must-haves versus nice-to-haves, and make sure you're partnering with a realtor who understands our local market, like what a septic inspection means in a rural area, or why a specific street may command a premium. For seller, presentation matters more than ever. Declutter, highlight upgrades, and showcase that country meets town feeling that buyers are craving. I always remind my clients, people don't just buy homes, they buy into how those homes feel. And in Fergus and Elora, that feeling, it truly is community. So there you have it. The 2026 Fergus and Elora market forecast. It's balanced, it's kind of promising, and full of opportunity if you plan strategically. If you'd like a customized look at what your house is worth or what's available in your price range, I would love to help you. I'm Jacqueline Geerlings, your go-to local realtor. Thanks for watching. See you next time.